Okay, it's been a couple months since we've been out here and shot a video, and the gutters are up now, all landscaped. All the electricity's in now, and the elevator's in. So let's go in and see what we have. Okay, so the wooden floors are in. And in the bedroom, you got the carpet. And the carpet carries into the closet. And then over here is the other bathroom. With the mirror up, faucets in, water's working, toilet's in, bathtub, step back out, and come down. This is a storage area. Looks like they've painted it all. That's really good. The elevator's working. Right now it's on the 4th floor, so we'll show you that when we get up to the 4th floor. The elevator moves at 40 feet per minute, so it'll take it a while to get down. This door that we have, we're going to have it removed and a solid door put up. And then, of course, the oval window, they've touched up around the edges. And the wooden floors are all stained now. So let's go up to the 2nd floor. Okay, we're on the landing. 2nd floor. All the floors are in here. And we're in the dining room here. And here we are in the kitchen. Now they've installed the stove, 5 burner. All the backsplash is in. Sink's in. Dishwasher is in. The double oven's not in yet, but the microwave's in. Check that out. And the pantry. So what I like about this pantry, it's a double door. You open the door, no light. You open this door and the light comes on. So that's pretty neat. Okay. And of course the powder room. The toilet's in. And sink. And the mirror's in. Show you the stairs going down real quick again. Look at that. All nice and stained. So come over here to the landing. And these are the stairs from the 2nd to the 3rd floor. Okay, we're on the landing to the 3rd floor. And so all the floors installed there, wooden floors, and all the carpet is in. This is the master bedroom. And so the floor's in, tub's in, sink's in, shower door's in, dual shower, got the toilet, or they call it a water closet. And of course this is Nina's side with the big mirror. And you come into the closet. And lots of lighting in here. And you just circle around. You're back out. Love that deep tub. So you come out of the bedroom, the elevator, stairs going up to the 4th floor, and all this is tiled. Still need to come in, water, they need the fixtures on the sink, fix the door, you know, just some touch-up work. It's coming along pretty good. And the stairs again, so give me a second, we'll be on the 4th floor. Okay, so we're on the landing. Now, you can see all wooden floors down. This is part of, I call it a mechanical room. It's kind of like an attic. So I don't think they're going to do anything to the floors here. So we come down. The elevator. Now, let me show you the elevator. So in order for the elevator to go up or down, the gate has to be shut completely. And still needs to be stained to match the floor, but it's working. I have not rode in it yet. And check out this door. I don't know if you can see that. See how thick that is? It's a noise canceling. It's a noise canceling door. So we come in here, another bedroom, carpet's down, carries out into the closet. As you come out into another bathroom, as you can see, everything's done in here. And then you come into the game room. And that's it. So we got a few things to get the contractor to fix, and probably should be moved in I don't know, a couple weeks. So anyway, probably be one more video after this, after everything's complete, and that'll end the series. And as always, thanks for watching.